Did you know you've been using your refrigerator wrong this entire time? Stick around for the next 60 seconds to find out how. First, stop stuffing everything everywhere. Your fridge has zones. Top shelves, they're for leftovers, drinks, and ready-to-eat food. The temperature varies here, but it's not the coldest. Lower shelves, that's your spot for dairy products, eggs, and raw meat. It's the coldest. Drawers are designed to hold produce at specific humidity levels. One for fruits, one for veggies. And the door, it's the warmest. Perfect for condiments, not for milk. And finally, don't pack it too tight. Cold air needs to circulate. And there you have it. Some quick fixes for a healthier, fresher, and more efficient refrigerator.